Hi everyone, welcome back to Fast Scratch Python. This is Ali from MediaWeb, and in this video we're building projects only. No new theory, and it will be just fun. So let's start coding our first project. Let's write a comment by the project name, funny name generator. As you can see, this will be the name of our Fast Scratch first project. Okay, so let's start. We're going to write name as a variable equal input. I don't like to use suggestions, so I like to write everything by my own hands. Let's say enter your name. We leave a space before the quotation, and that's it. Here you're going to enter your name as the project is going to take your name as an input. Then he's going to create some funny name. So let's start. We can write print, open bracket, open double quotation. You know what? We can write Mr. Then after the quotation write comma name, then comma, then double quotation. We can write the Python Slayer, or let's say the Python Wizard. Okay, we can also print the same. Okay, it's the same, but instead of the Python Wizard, it will be the Bugs Slayer. Let's write the same, the Pythonista. Okay, we can use this suggestion, it's pretty cool. And the next one, we're gonna delete the Pythonista, and we're going to write the Code Ninja. Code Ninja is a pretty popular name in the programming community. We can print you are MediaWeb's top student. So when I click run, it's going to ask me to enter my name. So I can say Alan, press enter. It will say Mr. Alan, the Python Wizard, the Bug Slayer, the Pythonista, the Code Ninja, and you are MediaWeb's top student. This is already a real program. Okay, let's try the next part. Let's write here. We're gonna create age message machine. I know those are funny names, but I like to make funny names to every project. It will help us remember our projects more. So let's take the age as an input. Age equal input, open bracket, open double quotation, enter your age. Then we're going to print wow, then print being comma age comma open double quotations again. We can write years old is awesome. Okay, that's fine. We can click run the code right now. Let's enter any name. After that, if we entered any age like 20, it will say wow, big 20 years old is awesome. We can write any other messages we wish for, or any message we want. It's already a simple code, and there is a real logic here. And using the simple basics we learned last video. We're doing a pretty good job here. So let's move on to project number 3 for today. Let's name this project the Story Maker. So let me comment all of this previous code. Okay, we select it all, then we press Ctrl/, because the Story Maker we need it to run alone. Let's ask for name equal input. Let's say enter the name, not your name, enter the name, like a random name. Okay, then we're gonna take place, name for the character of the story, place of where the story takes place, and then food, enter the food. Then we're going to print name, comma, went to, I forgot the quotations, went to, comma, place to eat. Okay, then we're gonna say okay, that's right, we can say print they ordered food and it was delicious. Okay, they went home happy and full. Okay, then we're gonna print best day ever. So you just made right now a story generator. Let's run this code. Enter the name, any name, let's say Ellen. The place, let's say downtown. Okay, the food, let's say pasta. Yes, when we press enter, he will say Alan went to downtown to eat. They ordered pasta and it was delicious. They went home happy and full. Best day ever. We can remove day or we can leave it because you may enter a boy name or a girl name, so that's why I wrote they here. And that's it. We can make an addition to this story, like for example, once upon a time there was a person named Ellen, and then when we run the code this time and we write Alex, let's try Alex, and the place, let's say the mall. Okay, and the food was burger. So once upon a time there was a person named Alex. Alex went to the mall to eat. They ordered burger and it was delicious. They went home happy and full. Best day ever. And that's it. This is it for today. Next video, things will get interesting. We're going to learn how to teach Python how to think. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to MediaWeb. Thank you.